Hey everybody, this is Grandpa Rails. I'm going to do a little bit of how I do my Bambu Lab printing. When you get your printer, you have a go through your manual and whatnot, and there is a app that you have to put on your computer or on your phone if you use your phone. It's a Bambu Studio. I've already got it logged in, so I'll go over here, click on that. As you can see, this is a project I'm doing right now. I'll show you how we got to it. So I'll click on Home, and this shows you the recently opened 3D print files. Doing the grade crossing, so I'll click on that, and you can see it brings it to the build plate. Now, if I hadn't had this in here before, I would go over to this box right up here. Click on it, go over to my downloads, and as you can see I have a code 100 grade crossing. I would click on that, it'll go to this box right here, and then you click open, and then it goes on to the print build plate. Now you can left click it and move it around. Now if you want to move this around on the plate, you gotta highlight it, and you can see these boxes up here. If you want to rotate it a certain way, or if you want to make it stretch it out a little bit bigger or something, then you can do that. And you click on that box, of course, or this box, to do what you want to do. But I don't need to stretch this out or anything. So I go up to this. I keep dropping this damn camera down. So you go up to this next window right here. It says slice plate. You click on it. You'll have some warning boxes. Most of the time, sometimes you have to obey them, but most of the time not. This gives you the breakdown of the inner wall, how long things are going to go, how much time it takes. When you get down here, it tells you how many grams of filament you're going to use, how much it costs, and it tells you how long it takes to do it. Now the prep time is almost 6 minutes long, and that's for on the printer itself, and the total print time is 25 minutes with the prep time. So after this, you can click this thing here, it drops that window up. Now you go over to the next window. It says print plate. Now if you got nothing on there, you can hit that and it'll send it right to the plate. But I have something printing right now, so I'm going to hit this window right here, and you got a drop down. So you hit send, and you click send again, and it brings up this window. And then you click send again, which I've already got this in the machine, so I don't need to do that, but it'll send it over to the machine. And then we get started over there. And I reshot this video because I screwed up on the beginning. So I keep my filament in this box right here. It's a hot box. It helps with drops the humidity down. It's back up to 39%. I was down to about 30 or so. It drops way down there. If it gets down too far, your filament will stick together and you'll be fighting it. So, and then I go through the process of loading it on the system, and we've got that on the last part that I did. So thank you for watching, and this is the end of part 1, and part 2 is on the way.